students, in the last lecture we had observed the table of sunrise and sunset. In today's lecture, let us discuss the answers. Our first question, which is the longest day? The longest day is 21st June. Second, what difference do you notice in the duration of the night? We notice that the duration of the night keep on increasing because the sun is now moving southwards. Next, to find out the duration of the night, the duration of the day is subtracted from 24 hours to get the duration of the night. It takes 24 hours for the earth to rotate around itself. It rotates from west to east. Children, the earth's rotation has enabled us to measure time in terms of day. During a single day, we have three different stages like the sunrise, the midday, sunset, as well as daytime and night time. To understand the changes in the location of sunrise and sunset on the horizon, let us carry out the activity given on the next page. Paste a large white paper on one side of the table. Place a torch in front of the table in such a way that it wouldn't move. Stand a rod or a candle between the white paper and the torch. Direct the light beam of the torch in such a way that the shadow of the rod or candle falls on the paper. Mark the position of the shadow on the paper. Move the table along with the rod candle from one side to the other slowly. Observe and mark the position of the shadow that falls on the paper. Note the change in the location of the shadow. Children, from this activity you will realize that as the position of the table changes, the position of the shadow also changes. If the positions of the sunrise and the sunset on the horizon are observed for the whole year, you will realize that they keep on changing. Let us try to understand the reason behind this with the help of another activity. Let us try the next activity. Take a thick stick about 1.5 to 1.7 meters long. Keeping some distance, fix the stick near a wall that receives sunlight at the time of sunrise or sunset throughout the year. Remember that the stick has to be fixed at this spot for a period of about 1 year. After the observation, mark the position of the shadow for that date. If the position of the shadow changes, measure and note the distance between the earlier and the changed position. During the period of this activity, observe the place of sunrise and the sunset on the horizon as well. The next part of the lesson should be dealt in the month of September. Study the duration of daytime and nighttime on the basis of observation from the table for the month of September. What was the direction of the shadow of the stick in the month of September? Yes, right. We can see that the shadow of the stick is towards the north. Second question. On which day was the duration of the day and night the same? Yes, on 23rd September, the duration of the day and night was the same. Students, let's test your brain power. Think about it. If the position of the shadow on the wall moves towards the north, in which direction does the location of sunrise or sunset appear to shift? You can see the location. The location of sunrise or sunset will appear to shift southwards. That's all. Thank you. For homework, read the lesson.